Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Toyota Sequoia Limited. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include CD player, DVD player, anti-theft alarm system, navigation system, automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.